Welcome to Germany. Finding an apartment in Germany can be exciting, but also very stressful, especially if you're new here. In many cities, apartments are limited and competition is high. In this video, we'll explain how apartment hunting works in Germany, important rental terms, required documents, common scams, and tips to increase your chances of finding a home. Let's get started. Finding housing in Germany is not always easy. Many cities have high demand, limited apartments, and very competitive rental markets. Popular cities like Berlin, Munich, Hamburg, and Frankfurt are especially difficult. Good apartments often receive many applications within hours. That's why preparation and speed are very important. Types of housing in Germany. There are several types of housing in Germany. Wohnung is a regular private apartment. WG means shared apartment, where you rent a room and share common areas. Studio apartments are smaller and combine living and sleeping areas in one room. Temporary housing is useful for short stays. And students may also apply for student housing or dormitories. Each option has different prices and advantages. Before searching for apartments, you should understand some important German rental terms. Warmmiete means the total rent including utilities. Kaltmiete is the base rent without additional costs. Nebenkosten are extra utility costs like heating or water. Kaution means the security deposit, and provision refers to broker fees. Understanding these words helps you avoid confusion and unexpected costs. Best websites for apartment search. Several websites are very popular for apartment hunting in Germany. ImmoScout24 is one of the largest real estate platforms. WG-Gesucht is especially popular for shared apartments. Kleinanzeigen often has private listings. Immowelt is another major housing platform. And Housing Anywhere is useful for expats and international students. Use multiple websites and check them regularly because good apartments disappear quickly. Documents you usually need. In Germany, landlords usually ask for several documents before renting an apartment. Common documents include your passport or ID, Schufa report, payslips, work contract, and sometimes a certificate from your previous landlord. Having your documents ready in PDF format can greatly improve your chances. Preparation shows landlords that you are reliable and organized. What is Schufa and why it matters? Schufa is Germany's credit score system. Landlords use it to check your financial reliability. A good Schufa score shows that you pay bills on time and manage finances responsibly. In competitive housing markets, Schufa can make a big difference. If you are new to Germany and don't have Schufa yet, some landlords may accept proof of income, a guarantor, or a larger deposit instead. You can find the detailed video regarding Schufa on the channel. How apartment viewings work. Apartment viewings are called Besichtigung in German. Usually, landlords invite multiple people to the same viewing. Sometimes there may be 10, 20, or even more applicants. Landlords often ask questions about your job, income, pets, and moving plans. Being polite, punctual, and friendly is very important. First impressions matter a lot. Red flags and rental scams. Unfortunately, rental scams also exist in Germany. Be careful if someone asks for money before a viewing, refuses video calls, or offers apartments that seem unrealistically cheap. Fake landlords often create pressure and urgency. Never send money before seeing the apartment, verifying ownership, and signing a proper contract. If something feels suspicious, trust your instincts. How to contact landlords. Your first message to a landlord is very important. Keep your message polite, short, and professional. Introduce yourself briefly and explain who you are, what you do, and why you are interested in the apartment. Avoid copy-paste messages whenever possible, and respond quickly when landlords contact you. Fast and friendly communication can improve your chances. Understanding the rental contract. The rental contract is called Mietvertrag in German. Before signing, read everything carefully. Pay attention to lease duration, notice period, house rules, and whether utilities are included. Also check deposit conditions, repair responsibilities, and additional fees. If you don't understand something, ask questions before signing. Costs of renting in Germany. Renting an apartment in Germany involves more than just monthly rent. You may need to pay cold rent, utility costs, security deposit, moving expenses, and furniture costs. Many apartments in Germany are unfurnished. The initial costs can be quite high, so planning your budget is very important. Good financial preparation reduces stress later. Tips for increasing your chances. Apartment hunting in Germany requires patience and organization. Some important tips are: prepare your documents early, apply quickly, stay organized, and use German if possible. Even a simple German message can leave a positive impression. And most importantly, don't give up too quickly. Finding the right apartment often takes time. Let's summarize the most important points. Apartment hunting in Germany can be challenging. Preparation is extremely important. Always watch out for scams and suspicious offers. Good documents, polite communication, and patience can greatly improve your chances. Stay organized, stay positive, and keep applying. Your future home is out there. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this guide helps you better understand how apartment hunting works in Germany. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments. And stay tuned for more videos about life in Germany, housing, bureaucracy, jobs, banking, and daily expat life. Good luck with your apartment search, and see you in the next video.